Right, so now here comes the part where we need to do expansion and simplification. So the reason why we got to do this and why this is usually a challenging question for all the students is because you simply just like do the wrong addition, multiplication, and you forgot to combine the like terms, you forgot to simplify it. So here the key things is remember always simplify it. Always see if there's any simple form that you can further calculate. So first of all, let's kickstart with 5a here. 5a here is with two brackets. So you need to really to expand it. So usually my practice is to actually start off with like copying the question. And then what I would do is to try to expand the bracket. First of all, I focus on n multiplied by this. So it's n squared plus 4n. So after doing this, the next thing that I'll be focusing will be the 6, right? But remember, 6 is actually not attached or linked to a positive sign. It's actually a negative sign in front of that 6. So you need to take that into consideration when you do the multiplication. So here that will be give you 6 minus 6n. And we will then do minus 6 multiplied by positive 4. So that should give you minus 24. And again, we can further simplify it because that's not the end. We can see that there are some like terms here. So essentially that would now become n squared and then minus 2n and minus 24. And that would be the final answer of this question. Remember, we need to make sure that all the like terms are being added up or minus if there are any. Otherwise, it's not the final answer. You won't get the full mark. All right. So now let's move on to part B. So part B is asking us to solve the equation. It's not asking us to expand or simplify. It's really helping to find the value of x. So this is the solving question. So what I would usually do again is that I will copy the question first. So 3x minus 5 divided by 4. And most of the time, I would actually make it look nicer, not in a fraction format. So what I would do is to, on the right-hand side, we have the 4 as a denominator. So I would actually multiply it across. And on the right hand side, now I would have 3x minus 5. So essentially what I would do is again expand the bracket. So now here it would become 8x minus 12 and then 3x minus 5. And what I would do is again put all the like terms together and put everything that does not have an x together as well. So on the left hand side, let's target to put all the x together. So now I will move the 3x to the left hand side. So it will now become 5x. And on the right hand side, I will try to plus 12 to the right hand side. So when I plus 12, that would now become 7 on the right hand side. And obviously, as I said, we want to solve for x, right? So x will now become 7 over 5. And that is the final answer that we are looking to get.